coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you where you wanna see. If this world I can't lie, I trust you, I love you. I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I'ma stress you out. I'ma even sell it down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low.
Oh my gosh, who is that guy? Umalis! Nagutom ako ulit. Oh my gosh! W! Wherever you are, thank you! But where are you from? Nakadami siguro, no? Oh my gosh! Mr. Beast, is that you? Mr. Beast? Ang OA mag-react eh, no? Oh my God, really? Is this really you? Oh my gosh! Wait, thank you! That's a lot! OMG! Ako nang pinaka-OA sa lahat. Yeah, I think that's Mr. Beast. Kasi sabi niya, hope you like it. Thank you, Mr. Beast! I appreciate it! Like, super! Mr. Beast, may I know where are you from? So that we can adjust this one, oh. Because I don't know where you're from. I need to adjust this overseas or local. I'm so sorry, but thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Hindi ko talaga alam. Pwedeng ano na lang yun. Pwede bonus na lang yun. Thank you, Mr. Beast. Oh my God, thank you. I'm so happy. I feel so grateful. Kagwapa. Uy, busy nga ni sila to. Ay, Ate Jean! Ate! US ata yun. Hopefully. Mr. Beast. Pero I know he's like low-key. Low-key gifter only, but oh my gosh. Kailangan malaman natin siya ending may Kailangan malaman natin to kasi pag hindi natin malaman, papakuta pa rin tayo. Abutin pa rin natin ito. Hindi mababawasan yan. Magkakautang kayo. I'm so grateful po. I received my rebate. Mr. Beast W, thank you so much. Like, for real. Damayan sa utang. Ate Jean, salamat. US daw siya. Oh my gosh, US daw siya. Ay, sorry. Kalma. Para kang tanga. Para kang tanga, Emmy. Hala, 5K na lang. Eh, sorry. OMG. Tumulong lang, nagkautang pa. Minus dito, minus doon. US daw kasi nasa ranking siya sa US. So, oh my God. Pati din ba si Gerald, di ba? Sana kota na sa local. Oo nga, para overseas na tayo, mamburaot. Kailangan ko talaga siyang ma-reach tonight, guys. Kasi tomorrow, pag naghabol pa ako bukas, hindi ko na malalaman. Hindi ko na malalaman bukas kasi yung update ng live data the next day pa. Pina-CI pa ako. Pina-CI pa siya. Walang tiwala sa'yo. Aray ko. Natawa ako dun ah. Ito na nga, naniniwala na nga ako sa'yo eh. Kasi naman nabiktima tayo ng scammer dati kasi. Trauma. Trauma kasi ito, trauma. Oh my gosh, Mr. Beast, W, if you're still here, I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you for the blessing. Pero actually, namimiss ko tong mga gantong gantong vibes. Kasi before ganito ako, naghahabol ako ng kota talaga dati. Sobrang ganito para hi, Berto. Kanta na tayo ulit. Kanta na. Sige. Smile. Diyos ko, abotenga na nga yung ngiti ko. Oo, mahilig maghabol ng kota. Mahilig din maghabol ng tao. Hindi yun, ho. Yo, naghabol ah. I don't chase, I attract. Motto po yun ng lifestyle, okay? We don't chase, we attract. Bye, son! Mas madali yata habulin ng kota kaysa ikaw. If this world were mine. Okay, salamat talaga guys. Wow, unexpected mo. We chase the utang. Hello. Oh my gosh, W, thank you. Okay, I need to sing now so that I can give back what you guys are sending me. Any request, guys? Wag lang yung mataas masyado ha, kasi grabe na ang boses. Mabilis magbalang dragon kaysa humabol kay Emmy. Galaw-galaw. Let's go, 5K na. 5K na lang, oh. 5K na lang. Piso lang. 5K. Nagiging lalaki tayo, no? Paghabulan ng kota, no? Chandelier po. Wow. Chandelier pang nais. Pag kinanta ko ba yan, buong kota to, local and overseas, kota na agad. Ha? Kantahin ko po. Opo. Sorry po, naniningil na po ako ng bayad ngayon, guys. Kasi pagkotahan lang. Oo. Pag mga first week of the month, second week, hindi po ako maniningil, actually. Ngayon, kailangan po eh. Oo, nakuha ko yung rebate ko. Ito na lang, 5K na lang for local. Local guys, user from US and Canada. So, yung overseas naman from outside. So, mas malaki-laki pa tong overseas natin para mga ilang buraot pa to. Hindi ang buhay to. Pero at least okay na tayo sa local. Kasi ang goal naman talaga natin is local talaga. Kasi malaki pa yun kanina, di ba? Last month, last day na. Okay. Guys, sorry kung magdamayan kita sa burao. Sorry guys kung hindi ko makanta yung chandelier ngayon na. Just to be safe lang kasi paus ako eh. Bawi ako next time. Chasing pavements again. Wala na lang, kalimutan na natin kung yes. Di na gumaling yung pagkabulol ko, be. Kaya ba? Hoy, ang hirap kaya ng buhay pagbulol ka. Promise. Kaya, ano niyo ako dyan? Bawi-bawi laban for quota. Kaya nga. Ngayon lang ako ulit na ganito, guys. Like, yung nilalaban ko talaga yung quota ko. Sayang kasi, di ba? Mas malaki yung next bracket eh. So, let's go. Anyways, chasing pavements. Always, mas napaus pa ako sa ano ba, kakachismis. For one na lang para sa next box. Kaya nga, hindi ba? Kuta na yun sa local. Oh. I made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further. This ain't lost. I know this. If I tell the world, I never say enough. Cause that's meant to be talaga sa akin yung gift na yun. What you need to do if I with you, should I give up or should I just keep chasing? Even if it leads nowhere, or would it be a waste? Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements? Even if it leads nowhere, yeah. I'd build myself up, thank you, and fly around in circles, waiting as my heart drops and my back begins to tingle. Finally, could ilan na yun? 1K na yun, di ba? With you, should I give up? Hindi ko alam kung dog show mo ko, Gerald. Even if it leads nowhere, or wouldn't be a waste. Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements? Even if it leads nowhere, yeah. Oy! Or should I just keep, sige lang, mag-send ka lang ng ganon. Thank you. Oh, would it be a waste? Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep on chasing pavements? Should I just keep on chasing pavements? Or should I just keep chasing pavements? Thank you. Oh, wouldn't be a waste. Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements? Even if it leads nowhere, yeah. Alam, parang di ko na kailangan ng gift na yan kasi parang ganun na siya. Diba? Diba parang walang filter? Lang yung pisngito. Salamat po. Wait lang. Ilan na yun? Dream, thank you. I think kota na tayo. Ilan yung na-drop mo? 5K na yun, right? Dream lang, thank you.